Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Baily Single arch door today. This door, we have it in different variances also, in a flat top, full arch, double doors, and all the different shapes also. This is a black door. This is how we stock the door actually. This is a 42 by 96, the one that we're actually showcasing. So it measures from outside to outside 42 inches, 96 inches from the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. This door has a 1-inch frame. We do this instead of a 2-inch frame to get a larger door out of it. It gives you more, basically a larger door out of it. Black door kick plate. Kick plate, this is a kick plate at the bottom. If you don't like the kick plate, you can custom order the door without a kick plate also. You can have the design continuous all the way down to here. This design is also duplicated on the kick plate, is duplicated on the interior side of it. Different colors are available on special order or custom. This is a frost glass that we're using as our display door today. This gets you the most amount of privacy. Different glass types are definitely available. We try to stock all the different glass types as much as we can. Obviously, it's a lot of variances and we're kind of short on space, but we try to do our best. If not, we can make it with the glass that you want and the color that you want for no additional charge, okay? So on any of our doors, you can do all those different changes without any extra charge. Until you start customizing, then there might be some charges. Standard bore holes all ready to go. All of our doors are 12 gauge and filled with foam, okay? What else? These are all solid picket, guys. This is all solid pickets that have been cut, welded, heated and banged and shaped to all these different sizes and shapes, and then welded together and painted. Let me flip this door around and show you guys what the inside part looks like. Okay, so we're on the interior side of the Baily. Untwist the knobs, flick it over, glass opens up, okay? This allows you to vent the house if you like. You can, on special order and custom orders, you can actually get a screen on this door if you like, if you want to use a door to vent the house. All of our doors have 2 pieces of rubber, one on the glass, one on the door itself. This is 5/8 thick tempered glass, okay? So 2 pieces of glass, 5/8 thick tempered glass, super thick glass on here. Yeah, I'm trying to think of, I did a couple of these videos today, so I'm kind of running out of words to talk, but let's keep going. All right, hinges, little gold thing on top, unscrewable. You can take it off if you don't like them, but this is used to pump grease into it. So over time, the hinges will need to get lubricated, and you just get an automotive grease gun, put that on there and pump some grease in it, and they'll help you lubricate the hinges without removing the door off, okay? Threshold and the frame, one piece. As you can see, you can just you install the frame, take the door, hang it on this male and female hinges. And again, the glass is on male and female hinges also. You can put that on. All of our doors have roller latches. These guys, when you adjust them, it actually it takes a lot of weight off the latches itself. So over time, it does save your locks from the door flopping around, okay? That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let us know. Hope you guys enjoyed our showcase today on the Baily door. If you guys have any questions, contact us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you.